Hi, this is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network Realty, and we're talking about, is now a good time to sell? Well, let's look at history. Over the time that we've been keeping records in the real estate business, we've noticed some patterns, ups and downs, ebbs and flows, somewhere in that 8 to 10 year range. And we're on the long side of 11 years of a bull market. So history would tell us that we're looking for a downturn or a bear market. But it's really hard to predict. Is it this year? Is it next year? It's hard to put off your plans until that market hits or you can anticipate. Another factor is inventory, and currently there's a lack of it. A lot of people are moving up or moving down from New York and Chicago and California. A lot of these states that have high state income taxes, and Florida has great weather, so that's why we moved here. So inventory keeps the prices high because it's a seller's market with not a lot of inventory on the market, keeps buyers hungry for anything that hits the market. Interest rates is another one. With interest rates in the 2s and 3s, the affordability of a home becomes better for a buyer, which helps you keep your price high. Something else to consider why now might be a good time to sell is forbearance and deference and the inevitable foreclosures that are going to come out of this COVID-19 pandemic. Those haven't hit yet, and when they do, I believe that's going to add more inventory and lower prices, stabilizing or even lowering the current market. Let's talk about renting. Well, we're going to put in a link that's going to show you some incredible statistics of how owning a home will help you with your wealth over the long term versus renting. And the simple fact is you're throwing 100% of your rent away every month. And when you're owning a home, you have the pride of home ownership. You get certain deductions. You definitely get your principal interest deduction, which can save you a few $1,000s a year. What if you're an investor? Well, I like to go with the old but simple adage, buy low and sell high. Take a look at your current situation, where you stand on that, and what your future plans are. As an investor, now may be a great time to sell. However, how are you going to defer your tax liability, and do you have something else to roll that money into? For those that want to sell their house to buy another house, I think that's totally okay. You're taking advantage of the high prices in today's market. You're making a lateral move. It won't cost you much more than the fees. So speculation is the last one. And none of us have a crystal ball. It's really difficult to determine what everyone's need is, since everyone's need is different. So as long as you take a look, analyze the market, and make the best decision, I know you do well. And thank you for watching. If you would, take the time to like and subscribe to our videos. We'd love to connect with you. Again, this is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network Realty. Thanks for watching.